a new variant of the heavy-duty K5 series, the KAMAZ-65956 tractor unit, has been produced at the primary assembly line of Russia's leading automotive manufacturer, KAMAZ. The vehicle has begun the initial running-in phase and is presently undergoing testing on the plant's dedicated inspection and validation platforms, representing an important step in the development of Russia's next generation of heavy transport vehicles. The assembly of the KAMAZ-65956 was carried out efficiently in accordance with the standard conveyor pace and did not encounter any major production challenges. According to Artem Osipov, deputy head of the Vehicle Assembly Efficiency Analysis Department and head of the Bureau, the new tractor displays a robust technical heritage linked to the all-wheel drive KAMAZ-65955, which has been in production at the facility for over a year. This continuity was deliberately maintained. The KAMAZ-65956 uses the same powertrain, electrical system, exhaust configuration, and pneumatic and fuel systems, as well as the spring-mounted trailer suspension present on its all-wheel drive counterpart. Such a high level of standardization across essential systems markedly decreases production expenses, streamlines maintenance, and accelerates the preparation process for full-scale serial manufacturing, which is scheduled to commence in 2026. Simultaneously, the new model is considerably more than just a derivative. Engineers have implemented several innovative design solutions that set the KAMAZ-65956 apart from other tractors in the range. The rear fenders incorporate a distinctive structure mounted on a dedicated bracket. The fifth wheel coupling is situated higher than on comparable models, and the wheelbase, specifically engineered for the installation of large platforms or low-bed trailers, is notably extended. These features explicitly demonstrate the vehicle's designated function as a specialized heavy-haul tractor. The KAMAZ-65956 is designed for challenging operational conditions where optimal payload capacity and durability are essential. With its substantial load-carrying capacity, the tractor is capable of functioning as part of a heavy road train engineered to convey oversized and exceptionally heavy equipment on low-bed trailers. It is also capable of transporting bulk materials such as sand, gravel, and pulverized stone using dump semi-trailers. The maximum allowable weight of the road train may amount to 91.5 tons. In configurations where a body is affixed to the fifth wheel coupling, the vehicle is capable of transporting up to 80 tons of bulk material in a single trip. This capability establishes the KAMAZ-65956 as a highly efficient asset for industrial facilities, large-scale construction projects, mining operations, and quarry activities, where transportation efficiency directly impacts productivity. The design of the tractor prioritizes durability, operational consistency, and resilience in demanding environments. This guarantees dependable performance across irregular terrain, partially developed infrastructure, and rigorous work cycles. At the core of the KAMAZ-65956 lies a 560 horsepower R6 engine, providing the necessary torque to transport extremely large loads while maintaining reliability. The engine is coupled with a 16-speed manual transmission, enabling precise control across a broad spectrum of speeds and load conditions. The tractor is equipped with a 6x4 wheel configuration, with two powered rear axles offering enhanced traction and stability under heavy load. This configuration is particularly well suited for demanding transport operations across varied road conditions, including industrial access roads and construction sites. Long-distance capability is supported by a 600-liter fuel capacity, allowing extended operation without frequent refueling. This is especially important for routes that cross remote regions or vast industrial zones where refueling facilities may be limited. Together, these features define the KAMAZ-65956 as a purpose-built heavy-duty tractor focused on durability, resilience, and operational effectiveness rather than compromise. The KAMAZ-65956 has previously been publicly unveiled as part of KAMAZ's robust K5 series and has earned recognition as one of the most capable tractors ever engineered by the company. The model is currently undergoing certification procedures, with completion expected before the end of the year. Full serial production is scheduled for 2026. At that point, the tractor will begin deployment with industrial operators, construction firms, and logistics companies specializing in oversized and ultra-heavy cargo transportation. The successful assembly and testing of the initial units demonstrate that the project has progressed beyond the conceptual stage and is now firmly transitioning into practical industrial implementation. The introduction of the KAMAZ-65956 further demonstrates the maturity of the K5 vehicle platform, which serves as the technological foundation of KAMAZ's modern product range. At present, the K5 generation comprises 5 primary vehicle categories: long-haul interstate trucks, transport vehicles, heavy-duty trucks, all-wheel drive models, and medium-duty vehicles. Each category includes multiple models, and each model is available in various configurations tailored to specific customer requirements and operational conditions. This modular and scalable approach reflects the technological maturity of the K5 platform and its ability to support a wide range of tasks without the need for fundamental redesign. Future additions to the lineup will be developed in response to market demand. This approach allows KAMAZ to expand its product range while maintaining platform uniformity and service compatibility. The KAMAZ-65956 is more than a new vehicle model. It represents a strategic asset for Russia's industrial and infrastructure sectors. By offering a domestically produced heavy-duty tractor capable of competing with international heavy-haul solutions, KAMAZ strengthens national transport independence and reduces reliance on foreign equipment. The tractor has been specifically engineered to perform reliably under Russian conditions. These include severe climates, long distances, and demanding road infrastructure. At the same time, its engineering standards allow it to remain competitive in international markets. Beyond meeting domestic needs, the KAMAZ-65956 has been developed with export markets in mind. Planned destinations include Armenia, Azerbaijan, Belarus, and Kyrgyzstan. These countries share similar operational environments and infrastructure requirements, making the heavy K5 tractor well-suited to regional transport demands. KAMAZ's export strategy emphasizes not only vehicle delivery, but also long-term service support, spare parts availability, and adaptation to local operating conditions. This approach reinforces the company's position as a reliable international supplier of heavy-duty commercial vehicles. The KAMAZ-65956 tractor unit stands out as one of the most significant developments in Russia's heavy vehicle industry in recent years. By combining a powerful engine, high payload capability, innovative structural design, and full integration within the K5 platform, it offers a durable and flexible solution for the most demanding transport tasks. With serial production scheduled to begin in 2026, the KAMAZ-65956 is set to become a key asset for construction, mining, and industrial logistics. Its introduction highlights KAMAZ's ability to produce advanced, high-performance heavy vehicles that meet international standards while remaining optimized for local operating conditions. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, and like. Also, please take the memberships to encourage us.